Hey everyone, Jason here for Campaign Sauce All You Can Eat Digital Marketing. A while back I was working with a client and we got into a bit of a discussion about the right way to use variants and how do you know when to use variants. Well, it's kind of fun. So what I'll do is I want to show you first how my client proposed using variants, and then I'm going to walk you through the way that I think is the right way to do variants. So I'm going to go back over here and move to an online shopping example, okay? So what my client was doing at the time was he had a bunch of watches, okay? And he had one product on his shop and then listed every watch underneath that one kind of generic watch, right? So underneath, so if you see all the variation that's here, we have different bands, we have different colors, we have different finishes, different faces. So my client at the time was treating one watch as a generic and then going into that watch, and then you open it up and there's like 20 watches underneath it. And they were all different. I mean, they didn't even look the same as the picture on the outside, right? So anyway, when you go in and take a look at this watch, for example, and really nice, good price on that guy. But what's interesting about this is that this is it, right? I mean, there aren't any choices here. You can view more of this particular, style. Sorry, you can view more of that particular model or that particular brand. Sorry. So I mean, you can see that a lot of these are quite different in appearance. And anyways, so these guys are doing variants correctly in that they're not using any variants. Now, I could see for this watch, if they had a different watch band, right, you could definitely make that a variant. If this face came in 3 different colors, you could make that a variant, right? So a couple of examples that I think are really good are going to be shoes, right? So whenever you go in and you look at a shoe, a very good use of variants is, of course, going to be the sizing, right? So it's going to be the same shoe, it's going to be the same color, you're going to get the same laces, but each of these guys is going to be a different size, okay? So with the different size, well, then there comes the variance, right? Okay, so that's one example. So sizing. So think of that as being a variant. When we go over here and check out T-shirts, okay, T-shirts colors are another great time to use variants. So you can see here, view all 79 colors, right? So whenever you look down here, you have lilac, you have pink, you have charity pink, fuchsia, mauve, okay? Tons of other different colors, but they are all underneath this jersey T-shirt, right? So anyways, that's a really good one here to use, or a really good example of when to use variants, and that would be colors. So sizing, colors, those are two really good standard across the board reasons or examples of when you would want to use variants. Now, you might be asking, how do I do that? Well, I've pulled up a test product here, and we have this plastic bottle, and we're going to assume that this bottle comes in different sizes and different colors, all right? So we have clear, well, it also is going to come in a couple of different colors. This might be the 16 ounce, but it also comes in different sizes. So the question is, after you've filled out all this information up here up top, now we go down to the bottom. This product has options like size or color. Bam, that's exactly what you want. What's kind of nice about this, once you check the box, they kind of start kind of coaching you along here. So what are the options? Well, yeah, size is definitely one of the options. What is the size? Well, we have a 16 ounce. What other values do we have? We have a 32 ounce. Okay, really easy to do. Okay, add another option. Okay, well, what other options do we have? Well, is it color? Yeah, in fact, it is going to be the color. Reading my mind. Okay, so color. This is going to come in clear. This is going to come in green, and we're also going to have it come in blue. Okay, done creating colors, done creating sizes. Now what happens is that Shopify will go through, notice what they've done. They've already created all these combinations for you. 16 ounce clear, 16 ounce green, 16 ounce blue, 32 ounce clear, 32 ounce green, 32 ounce blue, right? And then you go in and you can put in all your sizing and your SKUs and costs and whatnot inside here. But this is how you would define a variant, and these are two really good examples of when you would use variants. Size is a good one, color is another one. So if you have any other questions about other options where you might want to use a variant, or is it the right time to use a variant, please just give us a ring. pick up the phone, give us a call, or you can reach out to us through Facebook Messenger over at Campaign Sauce Digital Marketing. And of course, you can go over to campaignsauce.com and you can chat with us there. So anyway, that's it. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care.